In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use emojis on Windows 10. Adding a touch of emotion and character to your messages or social media posts has never been easier, and with Windows 10, you have a handy tool right at your fingertips. Whether you're working on a laptop or desktop, this quick method will have you using emojis like a pro in no time. So, let's dive in. First, let's get started by bringing up the emoji panel, and it all begins with a simple keyboard shortcut. Go ahead and press the Windows key and the period key, also known as the dot key, on your keyboard simultaneously. This handy combination is your gateway to a treasure trove of expressive icons. You'll notice that this brings up a dialog box filled with emojis just waiting for you to choose one. Once the emoji dialog box appears on your screen, you're free to explore a wide range of emojis. This box is organized conveniently, making it easy to find exactly what you're looking for. At the top, you'll see various categories like smileys, animals, food, and more, each represented by a tiny icon. By clicking on these category icons, you can quickly jump to the specific set of emojis you need. If you have a particular emoji in mind, you can also use the search bar located right above the emoji selection to find it quickly. Simply type a keyword, and the related emojis will be filtered out for you. Now that the emoji panel is open, you might be wondering how to actually insert an emoji into your text. It's as easy as pie. All you have to do is click on your desired emoji and it will be inserted directly into your current text field, whether you're typing a message in a chat window, composing an email, or drafting a document. Remember, this emoji panel works anywhere you can type text in Windows, so feel free to get creative. One of the great things about using this feature in Windows 10 is how it remembers your frequently used emojis, making it even faster for you to access your favorites. You'll notice these frequently used emojis appear right at the start of the emoji panel, saving you the time of searching again. It's a little feature that can make sending the perfect expression a lot more efficient over time. And there you have it. Writing with a flourish of colourful icons is as simple as pressing two keys. Whether you're lightening the mood in a work email, adding some flair to a social media post, or just expressing yourself more vividly in a text message, Windows 10 has you covered with its built-in emoji features. So have fun exploring and adding character to your texts. Thanks for watching, and happy typing.